Hi, I'm Oven Tolly and I'm making kid-friendly eggs. First, you need a bowl, an egg, a fork, salt, pepper, and cheese.
How many eggs do you need per person?
1 egg per person. Here's how you crack an egg. You put it on a flat surface, and then once you've cracked it 3 times, you put your thumbs in and then crack the egg out. You put your other egg in. So you're gonna take your fingers and dig around for eggshells. Now, third step, you stab your eggs and you start mixing them and crumbling them up. Next step, you put some salt in.
How much salt, Oven?
1 pinch.
Okay. And then how much pepper?
1 grain.
So now what's the next thing we need to do, Oven?
Put it on the stove.
Yeah.
Okay, so first you have to put some butter on your pan. Then you spread it around with a spatula or something that you can cook with. Then, after...
How hot should your stove be, Oven? Really hot or just kind of hot?
Just kind of hot.
Okay, would you call that medium hot?
Yeah.
Why don't I want it really hot?
You could burn your eggs.
So Mr. Tolly's going to use the stove. Oven, why is your daddy doing the stove instead of you?
Because it's really hot and I'm still 6.5 and I can't use the stove yet.
Okay, so now that my butter is all melted, what do I need to do?
Next, you pour your eggs in.
Get lower. There you go. Okay, Oven, how will I know the eggs are cooked?
Because it will be all not yolky and gross.
When should I add the cheese? Should I add it now or later?
Later. So, after they are not completely cooked, you sprinkle some cheese on.
Is that enough cheese? That looks good, right, Oven?
Right.
Oh, you added more salt. Why'd you add more salt?
If you want your eggs and toast to be really spicy, then add more salt.
Alright, tell me when they're done, Oven.
Now, after you add the cheese, they're gonna probably be right and ready if you do a little bit more mixing. Then, wait until your toast pops. You will put your eggs and toast on a plate. Okay, so after your toast is popped, you will put your toast on the plate and spread butter on it. It's okay if you don't want butter.
Where should I put the eggs, Miss Oven?
Right on the side or on your toast if you want on your toast. Doesn't that look good? I hope you enjoyed making eggs. Bon appetit!